unboxing.
But it's the dance series.
The dance series. I'm excited about that one.
Oh.
Because I love dancing. Right?
Oh, there's gonna be a surprise. Like, hold on. 1 second. Guess which one I got?
The dancing one.
I did, but did I get the third or second? Or first?
First. Fourth. Ah, she's upside down.
I mean first.
I don't know which one this one is, but this one says...
It's the third one.
It's the third one. It says, OMG, LOL Surprise, Dance. And this little cutie patootie is B-Gurl. And I believe, well, I know there are 4 in this collection. So they are Miss Royale, Major Lady, B-Gurl. Wow. And we got this lucky girl right here.
Because she's blue.
Yeah, because blue is Mia's favorite color. So
which is me.
yes. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright, here we go. Tape. Lots of tape. Oh boy, here it goes. What are you doing? Be careful. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap.
Doing nothing?
You're always doing something when I'm not paying attention. Caught you.
No, you didn't.
See two. Alright. One part down. Alright, look. Arrow. Put the arrow here.
I got in my flag.
Almost done. You're so slick. Let's see here. And oh, she's so cute. Reactions? Reactions from the audience. Reactions from Mia. Do you have any reactions? Are you surprised? Don't that is not the reactions I'm looking for. Alright.
Oh, there's gonna be a surprise.
Oh, there's more? Show them what you're doing. How did you know there was something there?
Because I know.
Oh, wait, hold on. Show them.
A little tricky, but you gotta be really careful. No, wait.
Okay, go. Okay, let's just try. Oh, there's something there? How did you know that opened?
Because I watched the video.
Wait, hold on. Let me see.
That's the dancing part.
Let me see.
It can dance.
Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. Moonlighter. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Oh. That's what, you saw a video on that? Oh, okay. Now people are seeing your video and they know what she does. This is what we have in the box.
And there's something right here.
There's more stuff? No, that's what you pulled out of the box. All right.
Yeah, okay, don't
Let's see.
mess up the background.
Okay, go ahead
I
and
love
start
the
taking.
background.
What do you? Tell me what I need to cut off. One surprise.
You got it there.
Okay. Surprises. I wonder what's in here. This is the clothes in a little hanger. I hope I don't have to iron this because I don't like ironing.
Yes, you love ironing.
I do not.
Yes, you love
I
ironing.
do not.
You love ironing.
See? It says star. B-Gurl. Okay.
Okay, this is a surprise. Can't show.
Why?
Okay.
I want to see.
Fine, it's a surprise for you so you can be impressed. I want to see your face.
So when are you gonna show me? This is definitely what I love about the LOL dolls, is that their hair are so soft.
White and black nails.
Show them what she does. Oh!
I'm just gonna start opening.
Let's see. Oh, I love the little details.
What's this?
Ooh.
We gotta show what.
She's super cute.
We gotta turn the lights off.
Oh, we'll go later. That goes in the dark?
West? No, yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I can't wait.
But where's the other stuff?
What other stuff?
The clothing?
And your hands?
Alright. One clothing. Oh, this is fluffy.
Oh, let me see. Can I touch it? This is super cute. Look, there's graffiti inside.
Wait, where's the necklace?
It says flip, spin, drop, hop, all different things.
Oh, where are her earrings and the necklace and glasses?
Right here. Ta-da!
And it's not in...
Yes, it is. Careful,
oh,
you're gonna drop it.
It is in here.
And drop it. Oh, there goes one.
This is like the one that Queen Bee has.
There you go, earrings. And
where is necklace?
no necklace.
What?
Does she have one? Let's see. No necklace. They trick you, huh?
That's suspicious.
They trick ya. No necklace. Well, guys,
We're all supposed to have necklaces.
yeah, that's pretty interesting how they're less.
Same than the other.
It's a dance guide. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, step 2, step 3. What is that? Ah! A creepy hand! A creepy hand!
Your hand broke off. Did it really scare you?
Yes. Yes.
For real?
A creepy hand. Ah! She just pricked my nose. Ah! Ah! Everything is falling apart. Okay, go finish.
Okay.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, look, this one lost a little thing. And then we have, ooh, let me go get one. So we don't lose that pretty braid, huh? I probably cut it while we were.
You cut it.
I probably did. Here it is.
Why?
Why would I do such a thing, Mommy?
I don't think you can do that.
So what do we have to do with that then?
Oh, you're going to see at the end. This is for the end.
The end? But we need to go somewhere dark, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to go to the bathroom, huh? Are you done dressing her up?
Oh, and then
Oh,
when you're done doing that, I'm gonna... Anything there? Hello?
Okay, what next? What are we doing next? Alright, so we gotta go somewhere dark.
Which is the bathroom.
We'll go to the bathroom. That is our darkest place right now. We'll be right back.
Nothing is showing up.
Let's see.
It's quite spooky. I wanna be.
It's okay, we're here. Let's see. Turn on the little light.
Now you can see. Guys,
Go.
we're gonna see. Oh, her jacket's
Oh, her jacket turns green.
and her hair is turning green.
And her hair turns green. What else do we see with the black light? The little details on her face. Go back
Little
to her
boat said sleigh.
Cool.
Sleigh?
Go back to her face a second, viewers. Okay, we have some little details on her hair, and then her makeup, and her little cheek, her boots, and her outfit. Glove. Okay.
Your boots don't glow.
Yeah, the one clothes. Stands out. Alright. Here we are.
We're going to turn off the light.
Okay, so here we are. This is the OMG dance surprise. This is B-Gurl. She is very cool with her cool braids. It is supposed to be
Dancing.
15 surprises.
So please tell us.
What are the 15 surprises? I don't know.
Now, Froggy, please can you tell me?
Okay, write it on the comment below. What are the surprises? Okay, we found the black light is 1. The brush is 2.
Froggy, can you tell me, please?
The glasses 3. Earrings 4. Her little coat is 5. What else? Is this a surprise?
No.
This part right here. Maybe this is a surprise. 6. This is 6. What else, memers? I can't think of any more surprises. They do say 15. If you guys could help us out.
Even you, Froggy. You already found them.
Oh, yes. I don't know. Write down below on the comments what are the 15 surprises. And help us figure this out.
Because we only got 6.
And in the meantime, subscribe and like our videos so we could make a lot more unboxing and fun videos.